in charge of the scheduling department to make sure that all the jobs that come through the plant are coming through on time, we're running the right amount, and we're running what makes sense to run in the facility at that time. Once we find out, we'll go from there. I started as an intern in the engineering department, and then shortly after was promoted to a process engineer full-time. I worked there for 5 or 6 years until I was brought into a continuous improvement manager role, where I stayed there for a year and now am recently transferred into this manufacturing manager job. All right, you're good on this? Thanks, man.
I'm just going to dispose.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Max.
Thank you. What I like about this job is the ability to put in work from the beginning of the day to the end and seeing a change made for the process for the better, and allow myself to improve the company every day I come into work.
The machines that we run here are very state-of-the-art. They're always bringing in new technology, and we're always changing what we run here. You could ask anybody on the floor and they'll have a different story of what the factory looked like when they started. So it's always different, always changing.
I had family members when I was a kid that were engineers, so that encouraged me to pursue that field, and I always had a knack for math and science, so I kind of just started down that track, and sure enough ended up here. I'm an introvert, I would say, but here it's very comfortable. I feel free to talk to anybody, and I feel comfortable enough to go out and challenge a problem or talk to somebody about a question I have that I don't know personally, and they can teach me just as much as I can teach them typically.
How you doing?
The training here is fantastic. I think this is a company that invests in their people, and they're always looking to improve the people that are working, to promote from within. I've went to countless seminars and conferences and been lucky enough to kind of follow my own interests, and I have support from my management to be able to do that. The big thing here is the position that you're in. You don't get pigeonholed into what that title is supposed to be. You can kind of choose your own adventure on things that you find interesting and get support from management on improvement in those skills. I find data analytics interesting, and that's not typically something that somebody with a mechanical engineering background is able to do, but I had support from my management to pursue that and get involved in projects here that center around that to develop those skills. Not going there. Not going there. Can't do it. That gets brought up far too much. It was fun. So this actually, our structural engineering department made this trophy, and this plate can come out here and we can have different names for who wins each year. So next year we probably will not have to change that. It'll just stay just like that, Max Wroblewski 2022.